Welcome to WAI's course on single-layer extrusion. In this introductory video, we will explain the basic concept of extrusion and provide an outline for the course. Extrusion is the process of forcing hot or cold material through a specially designed opening to provide a desired shape. This can be accomplished with a ram, but when making cable, it is normally accomplished with a single screw extruder. The next video will provide a basic explanation of the components and operation of a single screw extruder. In the third video, we will review basic tooling and crosshead design. The fourth video will review wire coating for both single and stranded conductors. The fifth video will cover fiber optic extrusion, which is similar in concept to insulating wire, but special considerations are covered. The sixth video is devoted entirely to extruder safety. To accomplish the task of melting pellets and applying them to a wire or cable in the form of smooth plastic with the correct shape and dimensions, extruders require heat and very high pressures. Tooling can be fragile, and extruders, screws, and heads can be very heavy. It requires training and practice to be able to start and operate in a safe manner. The last video will serve as a final recap of all the material discussed throughout the course. With these concepts in mind, we hope this will equip you with valuable insights, enhancing your understanding and skills in single-layer extrusion. Like what you saw in this introduction video? This is just the beginning. The full course is only a click away at WAI's Education Center. Start your learning journey today and take the next step in your professional growth.